performance exhaust on this 2011 SS Camaro. Got it up in the air, stock exhaust still on there. So I'm gonna get this thing out, put in this Solo performance system, and make this thing roar a little bit louder than it already does. So fun part is always getting this heavy exhaust out because these canisters under here are not light. So, all right, so the exhaust is out. Big old cans. Nice long one-piece exhaust, cat back. That's what we got underneath. So, no exhaust right now. Just the cats. Put in the new system right now. Well, it's installed. Good to go. Evened out both sides. Gonna throw some of this alcohol on the pipes, the muffler on the X pipe. It's now an X pipe instead of H pipe. I think I mentioned that before. Clean these up. And we're gonna fire this thing up. See how it sounds. Those cans on the original, man, those things are heavy. My gloves are out, so this car's gonna sound nice. It's only mod on here is the exhaust. So we're gonna fire up soon, see what it sounds like. All right, new Solo Performance Mach-XL exhaust installed. Here we go. Rev it. Very nice. Clean install. Love it. Guys, one of my favorite exhaust systems. Solo Performance Mach-XL. Definitely get one.